Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. Today's lesson 7, I think. Okay, let's start from where we were last time. Okay, let's see. We started to use random library so that we can use random events such as rolling a dice. Okay, we saw how to make random shows of dice, for example, and it's conditional printing of, say, it's smaller, bigger, or even or odd or something like that. I hope you're familiar with it now. Okay, homework. Additionally, write small sum if otherwise. So let's continue our work. So open your notebook, reconnect, and go to the last cell here. Okay. So we need random. This is necessary only at the beginning of one day, one session. So anyway, put it here. My sum is 0. I in range 5. We roll it 5 times. Get the result into, assign it to V, and add it to my sum. And we don't need it anymore. My sum is bigger than 15, right? Big sum. Of course, here, yeah, we add else. So my sum is smaller than 16, print small sum. And to make sure, write my sum too. Okay, let's do it. So big sum, it was 23. Small sum, 15. Okay, seems it's working fine. Small sum, 14. Okay, maybe my sum should come first for small sum of big. Okay, anyway, so now we can use random, and today we're going to use it in a more, in a way, interesting, fun, and very entertaining way, addition game. So let's make an adding game. Okay, first we will take a look at new function input. So let's try to see what how input works. Okay, so here, try to write input, and what is next? So here, maybe, yeah, as you like. If you write this and run this, okay, let's run this. It will make an empty box here. This is to let you input something. You can write 5 here, for example, and return. Okay, it will return 5. Okay, so how? This is, let's check the data type. So here, if you assign the inputted value into imp, you can get it. Yeah, right? And then in the next statement, check the type by print type imp. Okay, so it will print the type of imp. What is type? Anyway, let's try it. Next, okay, let's input 7. Type is class string, str, means string. So it's a string, a character string. Okay, so when you need to do some calculation out of it, you need to change it to integer. Okay, so let's check that. You can change, say, imp I to, this is a way to change the type of imp. Okay, I. Okay, so now you see input is assigned to imp, check the type of imp, and the imp is convert it to integer and assign to imp I, and check the type of imp I. Let's do it. Okay, this time 8. Fine. So the first one is string, but the next one's integer, int. So that we can do calculation out of it. So what the problem? Change the type to int and then add one print. And the one and print, I mean, sorry about it. So here, what you need to do is, let's see, maybe there are many ways. Imp I, increment by 1, and print the imp I. Okay, this is easy to understand, right? So what is next? 6. What is 6 next? 7. Okay, now we don't need this. Okay. So we don't need these, so we can comment these out. So, good. This is what we want. What's the next? 2, 8, 9. Good. Very good. If run it again and write something like 789, it's 790. Very good. Or, of course, yeah, you can write many ways and check. So, now we are ready. Get the random number x between 1 and 10. Okay, let's do it in another box. Again, because random is already imported, we don't need it anymore. So let's quickly write it. Okay. You remember random rand int 1 and 10 and print x. Okay, this will give some random number between 1 and 10 inclusive. Okay, 10. Okay, good. Likewise, get y. So do it again. And print maybe x and y, 2 numbers. So we get 2 random numbers and print them. 3 and 8, 8 and 6, now 7 and y. Good. Aha. What are we going to do with this? Print the sum. Okay. Maybe we can do it using f string. Let's do it, for example. I hope you like it. So we can calculate the sum and get the result like this. I hope it works. Don't need this space here. Okay. Let's see how it works. 3 plus 2 plus 3 equals 5. Very good. Correct. 2 plus 10 equals 12. Very good. So you will check why this works. Okay. Curly bracket x means x value is printed. Okay. Otherwise, plus and equals, these are printed as they are. Okay. So now we make some game-like tool. Let the user input the sum and print. Okay, let's stop and check whether you can do it. Okay, meaning that show the problem and check the result. Okay, maybe you can write here. Maybe more, you know what I want to do. So you can copy it and then change it to input. Likewise, like this one. How do you like it? And copy from the previous line. Okay. Input value is imp v equals int imp. So convert it to integer. And then maybe before this. Okay, we don't need this. Comment out. Print. Your answer was v. Let's see. Is this? Let the user input the sum and print. I think it's fine. Okay. Let's see how it works. Okay. 1 plus 8. Good. Maybe you can calculate. 9. No work. Your answer was 9. Good. Let's make a wrong answer. It's 5. Your answer was 5. Okay. It's working so far. Write correct if correct. Interesting. Stop the video and do it yourself. Okay. Now we do it. So we need some if, conditional if here. So let's check. Point is, if you need to compare v and x plus y, right? So if v double equal, maybe x plus y double equal. This is the way to compare two things. If they are same, okay, equal is a way to compare two values. If xy equal v, then print correct. Good. Maybe we can move this to before here. Okay, let's do it. Okay, 5 plus 5. Shall we make correct answer? 10. Your answer was 10. Correct. What happens? 14. Good. Correct. Let's make wrong answer. 8 plus 8, 99. Your answer was 99. It says nothing about correct. Okay, good. Let's continue. Actually, this is all for today. It was interesting, right? You can do many more things if you want. Homework, write wrong if the answer is wrong, and give the correct answer. You can try it. And let's check next time. Okay? Hope you liked it. That's all for today. So be sure to come back. Bye-bye.